Hello students, a warm welcome from CADD Centre New Alipore. The students who are from different engineering branches, the professional from the engineering branches, even the students who are from even outside of Kolkata, outside of West Bengal, for all of them this video is very informative. You might see that always CADD Centre New Alipore posting different message, different text, even also they are sharing different type of industry update related to job vacancy, related to different openings. Don't you think that, sir, if I want to start the journey with CADD Centre New Alipore, then how it will be helpful for my career? My friends, the people who thinks about it, this video is related to for them. You might see that if you check our last 2 weeks post, you might see that CADD Centre New Alipore has already posted near about 18 to 20 vacancies. And I'm sure after seeing this vacancy, you might have some questions. Sir, really, does your student get opportunity? Really, your students are approaching the interview? Really, they are getting selected, or maybe they are not getting? So you might have several questions, but for your information, let me tell you, I feel always proud being a part of CADD Centre New Alipore, because in last 2 weeks our 5 students have been shortlisted out of 18 to 20 vacancies. Don't you think it's amazing? And out of 5 students, our 3 of students have started already working with them. So my friend, my question is to you who are still waiting to decide, sir, what should I do? Whether I should take a challenge for starting my career in a design, whether I should come to CADD Centre New Alipore. So for those who are thinking the same things, I'm just making this video. My friends, take your action now. Take your decision right now. Because we are available online, offline. We are also offering our service weekend, weekdays, even also we are very flexible about the timing. No need to worry about the timing, because in our campus 50% students are college students, remaining 50% students are working professional. So don't you think that how we could manage? Because we are open 7 days, we are available online training, we are available on weekend training. Even my friends, please try to understand the potentiality of the CADD Centre training is completely incorporated with theory, practical, project and portfolio. So my friends, from the day one, we hold our students' hand and we help them to reach to the interview room, and we help them how to crack the interview room. Even we not only offer them the global authorization certification, we provide them formal portfolio project. We make them ready through our different monthly interview activities, so that our students never get worried during the interview room. So my friends, no need to be panic, no need to think that I'm a B.Tech graduate, still I'm searching a job in a design. So I think if you have such a questions, if you have such a situation, so CADD Centre New Alipore is the right address for you. Never hesitate to call on our number given the below screen. This is 9051322244. Please understand, CADD Centre New Alipore is committed to help the students, making them ready for the right industry and making them right for the right job. Wish you all the best, and very shortly see you in CADD Centre New Alipore. Maybe you might be the next candidate and your photo will be kept on our next placement gallery. Wish you all the best.